Hey everyone! I don't know if you knew this, but every library has a section of cookbooks. You will find cookbooks in the 641.5 section of the library. And if you are interested in cooking, you like to eat, I like to eat, so I like to cook. We have beginner cookbooks. We have things like monster cookbooks, princess cookbooks, pirate cookbooks, holiday cookbooks. Some of the libraries have Star Wars cookbooks, and they're a lot of fun. So if you are interested in trying something new, making something fun, I encourage you to try looking in the 641.5 section. If all of the cookbooks are checked out, you might find a book that has a recipe in it as part of the story. One of my favorites, Unusual Chickens for the Exceptional Poultry Farmer by Kelly Jones, has a recipe that has turned out to be one of my favorite recipes. It's called migas. And a lot of times when authors put recipes as part of their story, they put the recipe in the back of the book. But for this one, just in case you try to find it, it's not quite at the back. And all it is it's corn tortillas fried in a skillet, and then you add in some eggs and you make kind of a scrambled egg dish. And it's called migas because it means tiny pieces in Spanish. And so you use tiny pieces of corn tortillas. And this has turned out to be one of my family's favorite recipes too. Great breakfast recipe. So there's that one. If your library has A Coal Miner's Bride, The Diary of Anetka Kaminska, as part of the Dear America series, there's a recipe in here for dumplings. And so if you are interested in food, 641.5 for cookbooks, or you might find a chapter book in the fiction section that has a recipe in it. Have fun and enjoy.